We are here with Hilti at the Excel Centre at London Construction Week.
Today we've had a really good day. We've had loads of customers come to the stand and see the brand new Power Up tools. We've also done 2 live demonstrations for a whole crowd of people who were interested in dustless solutions as well.
Winners in the market will be those contractors and EPC owners that are willing to adopt technology.
35% of the construction workforce right now are 50 or above.
It's all done now. Thank you so much for coming along to the incredible Hilti stand. We've been able to look, touch, feel and talk, basically witness the innovation. Thanks for coming. See you next time.